Ever wondered how a robotic hand works? Well, today we are going to build one from scratch all with a DIY stem kit. First things first, unbox your kit. You will find all the parts you need to create your very own mechanical hand. Start by putting together the base and structure of the hand. Each piece clicks into place like a puzzle, no need for glue. Here is the cool part. We are adding the strings and joints to make the fingers move just like a real hand. And just like that, you have built a working mechanical hand. Test it out, control each finger with simple movements. The mechanical hand is similar to our hand. We can learn about bones, joints, and ligaments. Kids can have some fun challenge, like making a tall tower, camping tent, or an archway. How awesome is that? If you love building and learning, don't forget to follow for more cool STEM projects. Thanks for building with me. Keep creating and keep exploring.